I always receive the same question. Do I really need magnification like microscope to do a good root canal treatment? I would say it depends on which level of your profession you are. If you are a specialist or you are quite in an advanced stage of your root canal treatment, I would definitely invest in a microscope. It can be any. I've used Global, Zeiss, I use CJ Optics, and they are all good, and I would advise any of those three or any other that you recognize as a good brand. The main thing about the microscope is how many magnifications you can get from it, and also is the light. The light needs to be bright and with a good quality. That's what you need to see. And the depth of focus as well. The other thing you are going to notice on the microscope is the comfort, how comfortable it is for you to use it. But if you can't afford a microscope, then a pair of loupes is good. Any magnification is better than your naked eyes, that's for sure. It's like when we turned from the conventional X-ray to the digital X-ray. We thought that we could see everything with the conventional X-ray, and as soon as we moved on to the digital area, then we thought that we couldn't see those X-rays anymore, that we couldn't find anything on those. And it's exactly the same thing, and that is the advances of technology. It happens with the CBCT compared to X-ray, and it will definitely happen with the magnification as well. So I think the main thing is to move from your naked eyes to some sort of magnification. If you are doing a restorative case and you want to have a good view from premolar to premolar, you can have magnification like 2.5 or perhaps ideally a 3.5, and that will give you a wonderful view of the case. However, if you are doing root canal treatments, you are accessing and you have like those small access cavities or discolored pulp chamber or very narrow canals, you won't be able to find those canals easily. Definitely not with your naked eye. So in that situation, you will find that you need a higher magnification. For many years, I used magnification like 4.8, and I could do the root canal treatments with that. Was when I advanced in my career that I was doing difficult cases, that I was removing separated instruments, and I was dealing with lots of problems inside of the canals, that I found that I really needed at that time to move on to the microscope. So if I can leave you a piece of advice today is start with pair of loupes, simple pair of loupes for you to get used to it. They are not too heavy on your neck and light in it as well. And then upgrade as you go along. Hope you enjoy that and hope you can move on to those magnifications soon. Take care.